So I just did a video on this, replacing it from the old one. And of course it didn't upload to YouTube. Don't know why. I'm pretty frustrated. I don't take the time to edit. I go live, straight. I simple, quick as I can, real life, and it doesn't upload. It doesn't even warn me. It's just gone. I checked the DCIM folder. Sometimes it's there, but it won't upload. I can't extract it. I can't open it. It's frustrating. So everyone says, the people I know, that all the things I do, I should be making videos and just putting them out there. And no matter if they're crappy or not, just get them out there. So I don't use thumbnails. I don't use cover page, on that stuff. At least not yet. I mean, but probably not going to get through this one without being interrupted. But because I just spent 15 minutes trying to figure out where this video went. But no, just wasted a minute there. So normally I don't use power screw guns. I'll use a regular Phillips screwdriver, because these could ruin the hole when you're installing the new one. It's just not needed for replacement. These are short screws, but I'm using one hand trying to hold this home. All right, screw stuck in my hand. So I don't have keys to this door, so that's why I replaced the lock. This house had 4 different locks, 4 different keys, and we only had a key to fit one lock and a key for the other lock. So finally getting around to replacing the door locks. Now this one is the entry keyed door. Alright, should come out now. Alright. No spiders jumped out at me. That's pretty good. Sometimes they happen. It's fun. I'm gonna go a little quicker than I did with minimal explaining, because I don't know if this video is even gonna make it. So it's a keyed, goes on the outside. This is the simple one because I don't have to I don't have to drill this hole and measure or anything like that. Well, I do give you the template, please, but. So frustrated about losing my video. Like, really frustrated. It's been happening over and over. I have plenty of memory on my phone, because it tells me I don't after the fact. Like, at least cut the video off so I can have some of it. Now I am going to use a regular screwdriver to put this in normal. Just to hold it in place. Alright. I don't want to make it too tight because I need it to move. This is the keyed side. It's got a flat part, a square, and these two, this is where the screws go. So it's all just got to fit right through there. That's in. So it shouldn't fall out. The deadbolts will usually fall out a little more. And this is the way. This was the upright where I took it out. Let's see if it'll go. If it's gonna go in the same. I just kind of turned it a little bit by accident, but now what I'm doing is I'm lining up those 2 black tubes to the 2 holes. All right. course, my kids are crying, and normally I run out there, but they're gonna have to work this one out. Try to do this without pushing the lock through. We'll try. I'm gonna try to line it up. May have to. It's just hard to do it one hand. I don't practice doing these one-handed on a regular basis, so. Trying to position the phone where you guys can see it. I don't know if this is gonna work. Nope, probably not. All right. I'm gonna try to have it zoomed in a little bit here. Start above with my hands or my fingers. See if that started it. Might have gotten it. Got to start. Just trying to get this with one hand here. So, alright. Let's see, make sure it works. It's locked. Alright, makes sense. Always make sure it's not binding. This should be free. It shouldn't be tight at all when you're turning this. And go back and tighten this. See, I'm going to change this. Make sure it closes. Nice and easy. Alright, so I'll do the striker plate. Alright, thanks for watching.